This is how to force quit applications in Windows 10. So let's say Microsoft Edge was locked up, can't do anything. So you can hit Alt F4 and we'll kill the window in focus. If that doesn't work, we can try using the terminal. So open up the command prompt. And then type in task list. And we can see msedge.exe. So we'll type in task kill /im msedge.exe. So it killed it all except for 3. It says to use the -F option, so we'll try that again. Back to command prompt. Task kill /F /im msedge.exe. And it closed all the processes for Microsoft Edge. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.